morning, y'all. We just woke up from staying the night in the van, in the hammocks, by like a truck stop. Didn't sleep too well. But, yeah, let's get back on the road. We only had like 2 hours left, but we were crashing hardcore. Couldn't keep our eyes open. So, let's get back on the road. Isn't that right, babe?
Coffee.
Coffee. Crystal's doing our Instagram live. Got it on the vlog. Woo! Alright, y'all. This is the first time the van has gone through a Starbucks drive-thru. The maiden voyage has officially begun. We're gonna get 2 Americanos. One is it'll be venti Americanos. One is only going to have 3 shots total though, so 1 less shot than normal. And there's gonna be steamed heavy cream and sugar-free vanilla in that one.
With a double shot?
Yes. And then I'm gonna get another venti Americano with the normal 4 shots and steamed heavy cream in that one as well, but no vanilla.
Anything else we do for you?
That'll do it. Thank you. Thank you much.
And there's a regular one.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Ooh, new sleeves.
The Starbucks that we went to was only like 5 minutes from my granny's house, so we're gonna have coffee with Granny and Pop real quick because I love my Granny and Pop.
Oh, there we are.
We're home again.
Why are you doing that? It's annoying.
Crystal's stressed out right now, y'all. She's mad. She's frustrated. What's going on?
Nothing in our lives are normal.
What's upsetting right now?
There's just so much to do, so little time. Everything is scheduled, so it's just crazy. It's just crazy.
We got this, babe. I love you.
Love you too.
Alrighty, y'all. Let me bring you up to speed. It is about 4:30. I have a podcast record at 6:45. We have to go to the gym. I have nowhere to record this podcast. We just Googled public libraries. I'm going to go check out one that was nearby and see if they have like a study room or something where I can use that to record. But I'm very, very skeptic of this building right now, so we'll see what they got. Alrighty, y'all, we checked out the library. It's a go. We're going to work out right now, and then we're going to go to the library. I'm going to upload a video, record a podcast. Today's going to be just chaotic, so we're just going to take you along and embrace the chaos. Here we go. Alrighty, y'all, we have limited time. Crystal's got to go pick up some things, run some errands. I've got that podcast. So we're just gonna, today's our off day normally, but we've both been like cooped up traveling, so we want to get some movement in. We're just gonna like run through and do a whole bunch of random stuff that we don't normally do, just kind of have like an active rest day. So let's see what happens. I'll show y'all how it's really done.
Robert is the jump roping king. Loser.
Wait for it.
Look at them feet move. Oh, just strained my bicep. I don't like this for heights. Ooh. Get it? Woo! Careful.
Come on, you got it.
That's not happening. Nice.
Come on.
Oh. Oh wow, dude. Oh man, it is hard. Wow. Woo.
Come on.
What am I doing?
Bend your knees. There you go. Alright, y'all, we're dripping wet with sweat. We've only been here for 30 minutes. Goes to show how different like this kind of movement and exercise is from, you know, bodybuilding type movements, hypertrophy type movements. You gotta do it all. Alright, y'all, workout is done. I had my computer, which is now down there in the van, uploading a YouTube video. I got it about halfway uploaded at the gym. Right now we're using my phone as a hotspot. Our life is freaking crazy right now. We're gonna go to Starbucks, get some coffee. Then Crystal's gonna go get some meds. And then I'm gonna go record a podcast.
I'm not getting medicine. I'm getting something for a procedure, not because I take pills.
Oh. So you're getting some steroids?
Disclaimer here. Also, you thought I was crazy earlier and I was upset? You should see this guy when his stuff doesn't upload.
Yeah.
Alright, we are definitely pushing the limits here. Let's see if we can make it.
About to hit this curve. Can I also get a Trente green tea? I'm trying to get some iced green tea, get some antioxidant action going on.
Another disclaimer here. I, starting Monday, will be doing no sweeteners. So, I am indulging in the sugar-free vanilla. Don't give me a hard time about it because I'm about to go sugar-free, free. Boom.
Alright, I'm leaving Crystal with the van. It's back there somewhere. About to go record this podcast in the library. Let's see how it goes. I'm trying to reserve a conference room. Hey, nice little study room. Kind of small though, so hopefully the audio is okay. Boom, y'all. The mobile podcaster. Let's do it. Oh, look. There she comes. There she comes. My podcast didn't work.
Sucks.
My podcast didn't work at all, y'all. Wasted so much time trying to figure out Skype and Zoom and FaceTime. None of them worked. None of the signal was good, so we had to reschedule for tomorrow. Oh well, what do you do? Here we are at Whole Foods. If I can see the Whole Foods. We're gonna go get some grub and I want to talk to y'all about the importance of nutrient absorption. So get ready. Alright y'all, look at this stuff. This is a new one. Focus. Focus. It's not gonna focus. There we go. Clean ingredients. Let's try this. Look at this. Ground bison. Ingredients. Bison. That's what you want.
Alright, so I'm always looking for treats for Jack since he eats a keto diet. And I can never find any without any like fillers or carbs or whatever. But this brand, Fruitables, which is a random name for this, it's literally the ingredients is duck and natural flavors. There's nothing else added to it. Freaking awesome.
Same thing with this one. This one's bison.
Yeah, there's bison, there's chicken, there's bacon, and then there's salmon, and they're all like no sugar, no carbs, no nothing. Just like dog treats.
Give your dog whole foods.
Yes.
Alright y'all, I don't know why I decided to make this clip in the wine section, but it's the least trafficked section, surprisingly. Alright, so I want to talk about the importance of the quality of your food. Okay, that's one of the big takeaways that I've gotten from all these conferences lately, is like really put a significance on where your food comes from, your food sourcing. That's gonna have much more nutrient density. You're gonna get better absorption from that. So like eggs, for instance, you might be able to, and I'm guilty of this, I'll spend much less money and get like 60 eggs, like a whole bunch of eggs at Costco or Sam's Club, rather than spending more and getting much fewer eggs from like Whole Foods. But look what I'm doing. I'm buying fewer eggs that are cleaner for much less quantity. And this is what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm about to do that with everything. All my seasonings, all my sauces, all my meats, all my vegetables, all my proteins, everything, all my fats, everything. I'm gonna go to the nth degree to get the best quality food that I can, to give my body the most nutrient dense food that I can. And I know that's more expensive, but it's a trade-off that I'm willing to make, because I mean, food is medicine, y'all. Let food be that medicine. So that's how I'm going. I'm going all in on it. I'm gonna get the best stuff I can. I'm not gonna look back. I'm gonna see how much better I feel in doing that. So I'm gonna eat up the rest of the sausages that I have. I've got some sausages that are kind of like borderline. So once those are gone, it's all in, baby. Let's do it.